फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू बैक आवर यूट्यूब एजुकेशन चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में हम करने जा रहे हैं क्लास 8 साइंस असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन 3B। एक्सप्लेन गिविंग साइंटिफिक रीजन, चैप्टर 1 एंड 2, नंबर 1। अर्थवॉर्म आर कॉल्ड फ्रेंड्स ऑफ फार्मर्स। आंसर है आपका 1। अर्थवॉर्म इनहेबिट इन द सॉइल ऑफ फील्ड। सेकेंड, दे मेक द सॉइल अपसाइड डाउन एंड द सॉइल बिकम सॉफ्ट। थर्ड, द excreted focal wastes of earthworm are being added in form of humus in the soil. The humic substance are added by deforestation of dead bodies. 4. The soil fertility increases due to it. 5. So earthworm are called friends of farmers. Second number, rotation of crops should be done. Answer है आपका नंबर 1. The required specific nutrients occur in the soil for crop are constantly absorbed by it if single crop is taken repeatedly. Second number, so deficiency of nutrients occur in the soil and production of crop decreases. Third number, the soil efficiency of is maintained by rotation of crop. If crop of pulses fixation of nitrogen occur to rhizobium bacteria inhabiting in its root and performing an important function to increase the fertility of the soils. 5. Rotation of crop also control the harmful pests of crop, hence rotation of crop should be done. Third number, microorganisms are considered as friends and elements of human being. Number 1. Microorganisms are useful in many ways to human being and other organisms. Second, they are useful to make curd from milk, to prepare idli and dosa, to bring fermentation, to prepare antibodies, vaccine, etc. Third number, some microorganisms causes disease like malaria, cholera, tuberculosis, typhoid, polio in human. Thus, they are harmful also. 4. So, due to microorganisms' usefulness as well as harmfulness, they are considered as friends and enemies of human being. 4 number, food should always be covered. Answer है number 1. Housefly act as a carrier of disease, causing microbes and responsible to spread disease like cholera, typhoid, etc. Second, the flies sit on the garbage and animal excreta. Pathogens sticks to their bodies. Third, when these flies sit on uncovered food, they may transfer the pathogens. Whoever eat the contaminated food is likely to get sick. 4. So for to keep the food safe from contamination, it should always be covered. Chapter 3 and 4, number 1. Petroleum is called black gold. Answer है number 1. Many useful substances are obtained from petroleum. Second, these are used in the manufacturing of detergents, fibers, lubricants, colors. 3 number, due to its great commercial importance, petroleum, the black liquid, is called black gold. Second number, the fuel like petrol and diesel should be used judiciously. Answer है petrol and diesel are obtained from petroleum. Second, petroleum is an exhaustible natural resources. The formation of petroleum took millions of years. Third, the amount of these resources in natural are limited. 4. These fuels will be exhausted fast due to their reckless and through less use, transport will be affected badly. 5. The next generation will not have to face the darkness due to its economical and prudent use. Hence, the fuel like petrol and diesel should be used judiciously. Water is not used to control fires involving electrical equipments. Answer है number 1. Petrol is lighter than water and hence it floats on water. Second, when water is used to extinguish fire due to petrol, the petrol starts floating on water. Third number, hence the fire does not extinguish but the fire spreads immediately. Hence water is not used to extinguish fire caused due to petrol. 4 number, LPG is a better domestic fuel than wood. Number 1. Water is good conductor of electricity. Second, it neither produces smoke nor does not leave any residue after burning, while wood produces a lot of smoke on burning and leaves behind ashes on burning. Third, there is no control on the combustion of wood but we can control combustion. Chapter 5 and 6, number 1. Population of tiger is increased by implementation of Project Tiger. Number 1. Tiger is an endangered animal whose number were diminishing to a level that might face extinction. Second number, Project Tiger was launched by the government to protect the tiger in the country. Third, the project to ensure the survival and maintenance of the tiger population. 4. Tiger is declared as prohibited animals and hunting of it is strictly prohibited under this project, so by implementation of Project Tiger, population is increased. Second number, reproduction is essential for all living organisms. Number 1, reproduction is a process to produce new offspring. Second, no organism immortal. Third, continuation of species is maintained by new offspring. 4. So reproduction is very important as it ensures the continuation of similar kind of individuals generation after generation. Third number, the human being, some characteristic from maternal generation and some characteristic from paternal are inherited in offspring. Number 1, in human being, sexual reproduction occurs. Second, zygote is formed by fusion of mother ovum and father sperm during fertilization. Third, genes on chromosomes in the nucleus of ovum transmit the characteristic of maternal side. 4. Similarly, genes on chromosomes present in the nucleus of sperm transmit the characteristic of paternal side. 5. So characteristics from both maternal and paternal side are inherited in developing fetus from zygote. 4 number, animal like fish and frog lay hundreds of eggs and release millions of sperms. Number 1, both fish and frog show external fertilization. Second, all the eggs do not get fertilized and developed into new individuals. Third, this is because the egg and sperm get exposed to water movement, wind and rainfall. 4, there are other animals in the pond which may feed on egg. 5. Thus, production of large number of egg and sperm is necessary to ensure fertilization of at least a few of them. क्वेश्चन 4 से हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करने वाले हैं। तो अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इसे लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर कीजिए। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। जय हिंद, जय।